Hello student, in previous video we had learned how to calculate address of any element stored in one dimensional array. Now in this video we will learn how to calculate address of any element stored in two dimensional array. As we know that in two dimensional array there are two memory allocation methods. First is row major order and second is column major order. So first we will learn what is the formula for calculating address of aij element in row major order. So address of aij element, that means the element of ith row and jth column, equals to base address. Here BA is base address plus NC. Here NC is number of columns into I minus LR. I is this index number and LR is lower bound of rows, plus J minus LC. LC is lower bound of columns. This square bracket is closed into size of data type. So to calculate address of aij, we have to know the number of columns, lower bound of row, lower bound of column and the size of data type. And the formula for calculating address of aij element in column major order is base address plus I minus LR plus NR into J minus LC into size of data type. Here the number of rows are multiplied with the lower bound of column, and here number of columns are multiplied with the lower bound of row. All terms are same in both the formulas, but the difference is that in row major order here we multiply number of columns, but in column major order we multiply NR with J minus LC. So you can easily learn that in row major order we multiply number of columns with I minus LR, and in column major order we multiply number of rows with J minus LC. So for understanding of these formulas, I am taking one numerical. Consider integer array int A34. Here we have given an integer array where number of rows are 3 and number of columns are 4. So NR and NC is given. Declared in C program. If it is declared in C program, then the lower index of row and lower index of column will be 0. As there are 3 rows, that means we have 0, 1 and 2 row, and 4 column means 0, 1, 2 and 3. These are 4 column. So lower index of row is also 0 and lower index of column is also 0. If the base address is 1050, so we have given base address, find address of element A2, 2 and 3. Here I is 2 and J is 3. So these values are given to us. We have to calculate the address of element A23 with row and column major order. So first we are calculating address of aij in column major order. So what is the formula for aij in row major order? Base address plus number of columns into I minus LR, because in row major order we can multiply number of columns with I minus LR, plus J minus LC into size of data type. Here base address is 1050, number of columns equals to 4, I is 2, lower index of row is 0, J is 3, lower index of column is 0 and size of data type is 2, as in C size of integer data type is 2 bytes. So after performing this calculation you will get the address of A23 is 1072 in row major order. And for column major order, here the formula is same, but the number of rows multiplied with J minus LC. So base address is 1050, I is 2, LR is 0, number of rows are 3, then j is 3, lower index of column is 0 and size of data type is 2. So after performing this calculation, you will also get the address of A23 is 1072. I hope you understand this formula very well. In next video, we will cover some more examples for address calculation in two-dimensional array. Thank you.